Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So as you can see, I prepared my second board. So let's get on to that board. So I have a couple of more examples here. Examples rather not a quiz or test. I turned on the computer by pushing the button. I turned on the computer by pushing the button. I keep healthy by exercising. I keep myself healthy or I keep healthy by exercising. Now here I turn on the computer by pushing on the button or by pushing the button. There is one complication that usually people make. They use articles in the end by and by they use articles. I don't have a current example for it, but they do use articles like the by pushing on the button, by pushing on a button, by pushing on an button. It's incorrect. It's not possible. In another example with, I will be able to clarify it a bit more and I'll be able to show you people a bit more. So in this case, if we see, we always have one thing in common here going on, that is by. First of all, we have by. After that, what do we have here? Let me show you. This is push. What is push? For example here, exercise. I cannot add the E by my own self, but we'll just comprehend as if that is the E with it. So exercise or push. What is the verb here? Exercise or push. These are the verbs. Then we are using the fourth form. I call it the fourth form. It can be up to you, whatever you want to call it. But I call it the fourth form, ing form of the verb. We'll be using ing. What? We'll be using ing with it. And there is one big deal that ing is very important. It's not like something that you have extra here. It's not extra. It's actually important. So keep in mind when you are writing or when you're doing some kind of task to add ing in the end because it's really important. You cannot say, I keep healthy by exercise. I keep healthy by watching YouTube. We can say by watching YouTube, but we cannot say I keep healthy by watch YouTube. It's incorrect. It's not possible. So we have the structure here, by plus verb plus ing form of the verb or whatever you want to call it, by verb plus ing. We can use it in the both ways, whatever way you want to say it. I learned karate by dash YouTube. We can simply say that I learned karate by YouTube, but that's incorrect. We won't say that. We have to add a verb here as we have the rule here. So what will be a part of this place? We'll be saying by watching. By watching YouTube. We'll be writing by watching YouTube. Now you can also say by reading blogs. That can be a trick. But what matters here is that we always have to have one thing, a verb, and with the verb we have to have ing, or in simple words, ing form of the verb.